In July 2015, we launched the Wirral Plan, a shared set of priorities between the Council and its partners in the private, public and voluntary sectors. We set out 20 pledges that together we will deliver over the next 5 years to make our borough a place where everyone can lead the happy, healthy and successful life they want. Since then we've already done a lot, and we're starting to see Wirral change for the better. The number of homes willing to provide love and support has increased as 200 local people have applied to become foster carers this year. We're helping more disabled people to live independently in their own homes. Our children are doing well. Almost 70% of Wirral children are reaching a good level of development, according to the Department for Education, and the level of local young people getting good grades at GCSE and A-level continues to rise. At the same time, the number of 16 to 18-year-olds in education, employment or training is rising. And we're working even more closely with our partners to support those older people who need our help and to empower those who want to make a difference in their communities. Business is booming in Wirral. The first new buildings on Wirral Waters are now open, the new Wirral Met College campus and the Tower Wharf HQ of the Contact Company, creating up to 400 jobs. There are 11% more businesses in Wirral than there were last year, taking the number up to 8,200. We've secured up to £7 million in European money to make sure our residents have got the skills our businesses need. Investment in Wirral is thriving. This year alone, we've announced plans for an international golf resort in Hoylake, a new maritime knowledge hub, £12 million of investment into a new retail scheme at Junction 1 of the M53, creating over 350 new jobs, over £8 million of investment into Croft Retail Park, on top of exciting £150 million plans to completely transform Birkenhead. Wirral's visitor economy is the fastest growing in the city region, worth around £355 million. It employs 4,800 full-time equivalent jobs, and we attract 7.5 million visitors. We know the safety and the appearance of our streets is important to our residents. We're currently replacing streetlights across the borough. 7,700 LED and dimmable lights are being installed at a rate of 500 per week. Since last year, we filled 8,000 potholes and repaired or resurfaced 400,000 square metres of road. There are also more than 450,000 new white and yellow lines on the road, helping to keep drivers, cyclists and pedestrians safe. Already this year, we've worked to create 230 new and affordable homes for local people, with almost 90 due to be ready before the end of the year. We've also brought nearly 150 empty properties back into use. We fined 6,000 people for dropping litter in our borough, and we're about to start doing the same for people who don't pick up after their dogs. After investing more than £2 million in our leisure centres, we've seen 25% more people using the facilities, getting fit and feeling healthier. Wirral has secured over £3 million of extra funding, which will be spent to make health and social care services better. This is the Healthy Wirral programme. Our work with local people has seen the numbers of smokers in Wirral fall, and 7,500 youngsters get a new infant flu jab. We've made 20 pledges to you, the people of Wirral, and work is well underway on delivering them. We want to keep you updated as our work continues, so to find out more, visit www.wirral.gov.uk/annual report.